comfortably in any comfortable meditative posture. Adopt Chin Mudra. Keep your eyes and mouth gently closed. Relax and calm down your mind. Witness your breath. Unite your body, mind and soul. Feel your surrounding. Feel the objects around you. Be aware of your room. Be aware of the walls of the room. Be aware of your whole body. Be aware of your inner silence. Slowly move your awareness to your eyebrow center. We'll chant Om 3 times. Breathe in. Slowly take your both the hands back. Bend forward and offer Naman to Mother Earth. Slowly come up. Rub your palm. Keep it on your eyes. Rub it all over your face, ears, neck. Gently open your eyes and observe your palm. Relax. Thank you. Welcome all. Sit in any comfortable meditative posture. Kapalbhati 100 rounds. Then Bahir Kumbha Mahabandh. That is exhalation, external retention of your breath, and then lock all the 3 channels. That is Jalandhar Bandh, Udyan Bandh, Mol Bandh. Those who don't know, just don't do anything, just do Kapalbhati. Both the hands, Apana Mudra, your tip of your thumb with your middle finger and ring finger. Keep it on your knees, back straight, active exhalation, passive inhalation. Start the practice. One more round. Rub your palm. Keep it on your eyes. Rub it all over your face, ears, neck. Gently open your eyes and enjoy your palm. Relax. Slowly sit in Vajrasana. Tiger breathing. Good for your back pain and reproductive system. Take one arm distance between your knees. Keep it in the front. Take 1 palm distance. Spread your legs. Make sure your palm, knees and legs are on one line. Breathe in, look up. Breathe out, lock your chin, arch your back. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Breathe in and breathe out. Relax for a moment in Shashankasana. Come to Sthiti. Keep your both the knees together. Stretch your right leg back by stretching your left hand forward. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Breathe in and breathe out. Slowly stretch your right leg back, fold it and stretch it out. Breathe in, breathe 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 out. Breathe in and breathe out. Left leg, stretch it out. Breathe in, breathe 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 out. Breathe in and breathe out. Stretch your right leg back. Cross your hands. Do push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch to opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now fold both the legs, lift your feet off the ground, ankle crossed and do push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly take your right hand back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Slowly stretch both the legs. Come to plank and hold plank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Very good. Relax for a moment. Shake your fingers. Up. Back. One up, one down. Switch. Relax. Slowly we'll move on to the next practice, side plank. Either hold this way or bend your elbow and hold. You can keep your feet up in the front and raise your right hand up and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Very good. Switch to opposite side. Lift and hold. 1, breathe. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Very good. Relax. Again, shake your fingers. If it is hurting, just keep shaking. Stretch sideways and hold. Breathe normal. Opposite side. Stretch forward. Pull your all the fingers towards your side. Down. Opposite. Down. Back. Back straight, look forward. Opposite. Relax. Now come to dolphin plank. Interlock your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Relax in Makarasana. Slowly stretch both the hands forward. Ardhvasana. Keep your forehead or chin on the ground. Slowly take your both the hands behind your head. Interlock your fingers. Jastikasana. Good for cervical spondylitis. Keep your forehead on the ground. Relax completely. Slowly and gently turn your face to your right. Rest your left cheek on the ground without disturbing your hand position. Rest both the elbows on the ground. Feel the nice twisting on your neck muscles and keep relaxing and try to breathe from those neck muscles. It's very soft. Handle with care. Switch to opposite side. Close your eyes and meditate on your neck muscles. Imagine you are breathing from there. Whenever you have neck pain, just try to relax in this posture. This is called Jastikasana. It gives a complete relaxation to those neck muscles and it will strengthen your neck muscles. Because of the bad posture, sometimes many people will face this problem. Long hour of sitting on the chair also leads to neck pain. So you have to strengthen those neck muscles by practicing just simple practice like this. Slowly come to the center. Stretch both the hands sideways. Become capital T. And slowly bring your right leg forward and hook your right big toe with your two fingers. And hold. Don't change your neck position. Keep your chin down and look forward. Keep dragging. Take your right hand support. Keep dragging. Let it go beyond your head. Eyes. Mouth. 1. Hold with normal breathing. Close your eyes if you are comfortable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Slowly take it back and bring your left leg forward. Don't change your neck position. Just keep looking forward. Synchronize your leg movement. Yes. Bring it as forward as possible and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Slowly take it back. Variation 2. Fold your right leg. Take your right hand inside and keep dragging your right foot closer to your chest or chin, wherever it is. Stands. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Slowly release your right and take it back. Bring your left leg, fold it. Your left knee should face the ceiling. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Slowly take it back. Again, fold your right leg, bend your right elbow, rest your right knee on your right elbow and lift it up and hold. 1, 2, 3, either straight your knee or bend your knee. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Slowly take it back. Fold your left hand, fold your left leg, bring it forward, rest your left knee on your left elbow and lift it up and hold. Keep your chin down and look forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Inhale and then exhale. Slowly relax for a moment in Makarasana. Slowly come to Balasana. Rest your chin on your cup of your palm and pedal your legs. This is a great posture for back pain, lower back pain, lumbar lordosis problem. Those who sit for a longer time on the chair, office going people, they should practice this regularly to get rid of your back pain and lumbar lordosis problem. That is slight arch in your spine. When there is a slight arch in your spine, stomach comes out like one setu with big tummy. Slowly hold your ankles, Dhanurasana. Breathe in up and hold. Balance on your navel. Just feel the tingling feeling in your navel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Concentrate on your navel. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Sideways rolling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Forward and backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax for a moment in Makarasana. Slowly come to Sthiti, come to Bhujangasana. Lift your upper body and legs together. Balance on your navel again. Inhale up and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Inhale and then exhale. Slowly come to Shashanka. Parvatasana. Hold for a moment. Lock your chin. Slowly rise your right leg up. Bring it forward. Slowly rise your both the hands up. Join your palm and twist your spine. Observe your right hand side and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Inhale and then exhale. Slowly come to Parvatasana again. Hold for a moment. Slowly rise your left leg up. Bring it forward and twist your spine. Slowly rise both the hands up. Join your palm above your head and bring it down and twist your spine and observe your left hand side back. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Relax again in Parvatasana. Slowly raise your right leg up. Inhale, bring it forward. Exhale. Slowly take your right hand inside your right leg. Left hand from top and take it behind your back. Interlock your fingers and observe the seal. Hold. 1. Open your chest. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ek Padak. Inhale. Parvata. Exhale. Hold. Be there. Normal breathing. With every exhalation, keep relaxing your body, mind. Slowly we'll move on to the opposite side. Lift your left leg up. Bring it forward. Take your left hand inside. Take your right hand from top and interlock your fingers and observe the ceiling and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Slowly raise your right leg. Bring it forward. Take your right hand inside. Put your right palm completely on the ground. Push your head down and touch your forehead to the ground. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and an exhale. Hold. Be there. In Parvata, lock your chin. Stretch your tailbone. Keep pushing your head down. Raise your left leg. Bring it forward. Take your left hand inside your left leg. Keep your palm completely on the ground. Push your head down and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Slowly relaxing Shashankasana for a moment. Slowly come to Vajrasana. Inhale. Shashankasana. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And be there. Slowly roll your head down, take your both the hands back, interlock your fingers and rise it up. Naman Pranamasana. Just hold, beginners can hold in this posture. This is variation 1, and senior practitioners keep your both the hands by the side of your head and slowly walk forward and put your both the knees on your elbows and lift. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Slowly rise both the hands up. Interlock your fingers above your head. Do Tadasana. Be there. Hold. Normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Slowly come to standing posture. Stand at the end of your mat. Guru Namaskara. Join your legs. Beginners, just watch 1 or 2 rounds and then you can continue. Join your palm, your thumb in between your chest. Namaskara Asana. Right leg forward. Hanumadvaja. Dvajavandana. Ekapada. Parvatasana. Dandabhujangasana. Akanchitabodharasana. Right leg forward, Ekapadasana. Hanumadvaja. Namaskarasana. Join your legs. Namaskarasana. Left leg, Hanumadvaja. Dvajavandana. Ekapada. Parvatasana. Dandabhujangasana. Akanchitabodharasana. Left leg Ekapadasana. Hanumadvaja. Namaskarasana. Join your legs. Namaskarasana. Right leg forward, Hanumadvaja. Dvajavandana. Ekapada. Parvatasana. Separate your legs and keep your heels down. Push your head down. Dandabhujangasana. Slide forward, stretch your spine. Look up, balance on your palm and toes. Akanchitabodharasana. Sit back, chest and chin down and look forward. Right leg forward, Ekapadasana. Hanumadvaja. Namaskarasana. Namaskarasana. Left leg, Hanumadvaja. Dvajavandana. Ekapada. Parvatasana. Separate your legs. Heels down. Push your head down. Dandabhujangasana. Slide forward. Stretch your spine. Look up. Balance on your palm and toes. Knees off the ground. Akanchitabodharasana. Sit back. Chest and chin down. Left leg forward. Ekapadasana. Hanumadvaja. Namaskarasana. Namaskarasana. Right leg, Hanumadvaja. Dvajavandana. Ekapada. Try to balance. Parvatasana. Dandabhujangasana. Akanchitabodharasana. Right leg, Ekapadasana. Hanumadvaja. Namaskarasana. Namaskarasana. Left leg, Hanumadvaja. Dvajavandana. Ekapada. Parvatasana. Separate your legs. Dandabhujangasana. Akanchitabodharasana. Left leg Ekapadasana. Hanumadvaja. Namaskarasana. Namaskarasana. Right leg Hanumadvaja. Dvajavandana. Ekapada. Parvatasana. Dandabhujangasana. Akanchitabodharasana. Right leg forward, Ekapadasana. Hanumadvaja. Namaskarasana. Namaskarasana. Left leg, Hanumadvaja. Dvajavandana. Ekapada. Parvatasana. Dandabhujangasana. Akanchitabodharasana. Left leg Ekapadasana. Hanumadvaja. Namaskarasana. Relax. Relax in Sthila Tadasana. Once you are completely relaxed, sleep on your back. Wipe your sweat. Gently rub your palm. Keep it on your face, ears, neck. And gently open your eyes and observe your palm. Slowly sleep on your back. If you want, drink some water. Relax completely. Take a sip. Don't drink too much. Slowly we'll move on to the next practice, lumbar stretching. Fold both the legs. Become capital T first, stretch both the legs, and yes, either if you don't have space, you can just take your both the hands behind your head and interlock your fingers, or stretch your hands sideways. If you have enough space, stretch your hands and become capital T. Otherwise, take your both the hands behind your back and interlock your fingers. Sleep on your back. Slowly fold both the legs. Breathe in center. Breathe out. Twist both the knees to right and turn your head to your left. Breathe in center. Breathe out. Left and turn your head to your right. Opposite side. Breathe in center. Breathe out right. Breathe in. Breathe out. Don't lift your feet. Feet should be down. Variation 1. Breathe in center. Breathe out right and hold with normal breathing. Close your eyes and meditate on your spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Breathe in center. Breathe out left and hold. 1, 2, turn your head to opposite side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe in and breathe out. Now separate your legs to your mat width. Breathe in center. Breathe out right. When you are twisting both the knees to right, your right knee on the ground, your left knee touching your right heel, and rest it down and turn your head to your left. Breathe in center. Breathe out left. Breathe in center. Breathe out right and hold. 1, 2, close your eyes and try to do abdominal breathing and meditate on your spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Breathe in center. Breathe out left and turn your head to your right and hold. 1, 2, 3. Make sure your both the elbows are on the ground and shoulders completely rested nicely. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe in and breathe out. Variation 3. Slowly lift your both the legs and bring your both the knees closer to your chest. Breathe in center. Breathe out. Twist both the knees to right and turn your head to your left. Breathe in center. Breathe out left. Breathe in center. Breathe out right and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe in center. Breathe out left and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Both the knees together. Rested on nicely on the ground. Feet on the ground. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe in and breathe out. Straight your legs. Rise your right leg up. Breathe in up. Rest your right foot on your left knee and hold your right knee with your left hand and twist to your left and turn your head to your right hand side. Try to keep both the shoulders on the ground. Don't try to lift your shoulders. If your right knee is not touching the ground, it is okay. Make sure your left knee is straight. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel the twisting on your spine. 4, 5, 6, 7. Twist as much as possible. 7, 8, 9 and 10. Breathe in and breathe out. Slowly switch to the opposite side. Breathe in up. Rise your left leg. Fold it. Rest your left foot on your right knee so that you will not bend your right knee. Okay. Hold your left knee with your right hand and twist your left and turn your head to your left hand side. Twist your left knee to right and turn your head to your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If your knee is not touching the ground, it is okay. But don't lift your shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Breathe in up. Breathe out. down. Slowly tuck your t-shirt inside and we'll move on to our next practice, that is Sarvangasana. That is our sadhana. Those who can't do Sarvangasana, go for Setubandhasana. Relax for a moment. Yes, slowly rise those who are doing Sarvangasana, rise your both the legs towards the ceiling and roll your buttocks up and hold your backbone. Those who are doing Setubandhasana, fold your legs and keep your complete palm on the ground and lift your buttocks up and hold. This is the preparatory asana for Sarvangasana. Shoulder stand. You are strengthening your shoulders. Don't feel that you cannot do Sarvangasana. It is okay. Still you can master it by just doing the preparatory asana, that is Setubandhasana. Normal breathing. Close your eyes. Meditate on your breath. Breathing from your navel to throat, throat to navel. Don't tense your muscles. If you are too tired or if you have discomfort, you can relax and relax in Shavasana. Use your willpower. You can still do it. All these asanas will make you mentally very strong. It has physical effects on your body. Same time you have effects on your mental also. You become very strong mentally. Asanas will make you physically and mentally very strong. Breathe, don't hold your breath. Slow and deep breathing. Try to practice Ujjayi breathing also. Those who are senior practitioners, this is very good for your thyroid glands. Relax. Relax your posture. Do complementary Matsyasana. Put Padmasana or straight your legs. Lift your chest up and roll your head inside and hold. Normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Last practice, Naukasana. Keep your both the hands by the side of your thighs. Slowly lift your upper body and legs together to 30 degree, 60 degree or 90 degree, depending on your capacity and flexibility. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. When you are stretching your hands forward, open your fingers, your palms should face to each other. Now holding time, inhale up and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Slowly relaxing Shavasana. Legs apart, hands apart. Close your eyes. Fingers naturally curled. Surrender your body to the ground. If you have back pain, you can fold your legs and relax. If you are not comfortable in Shavasana, you can still relax in Makarasana, whichever is convenient. Relax your whole body. Your heels in touch with the ground. Your calf muscle in touch with the ground. Your hamstrings in touch with the ground. Your buttocks in touch with the ground. Right arm, left arm, your back in touch with the ground. Your shoulders in touch with the ground. Back of your head in touch with the ground. Feel your surrounding. Move your awareness to your body. Relax your right hand side of your body. Relax your left hand side of your body. Relax your back side of your body. Relax your front side of your body. Relax your whole body. Slowly switch your awareness from your body to the breath. Internalize your awareness to your breath and try to chant the mantra Soham mentally. Breathe in from your toes to head. Breathe out from your head to toe. With every inhalation, feel the expansion of your chest muscles. With every exhalation, feel the contraction of your chest muscles and abdominal muscles. Arohan, Avarohan. Arohan is inhale, Avarohan is exhale. As you inhale, feel the fresh air entering your body. As you exhale, feel the warm air coming out of your body. And keep chanting the Soham mantra that leads to full yogic breathing, that is diaphragmatic, clavicular breathing and chest breathing, thoracic breathing. All three put together is full yogic breathing. bring back your conscious awareness. Become aware of your surrounding. Become aware of the noise around you. Become aware of your physical body. Gently move your toes, move your fingers, move your neck. Slowly bring your legs together, hands together. Fold your left leg. Rise your right hand back. Slowly turn to your right hand side. Keep your left hand in front of your chest. Fold both the legs. Enjoy the relaxation. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Slowly take support with your left hand. Come to any comfortable meditative posture. Plug your both the index finger into your ears. Brahmari Pranayama. 7 rounds and point of concentration is on eyebrow center. 7 rounds. Inhale through nose and while exhaling close your mouth and chant Akshar A. Start the practice. Next practice, Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Left hand Chin Mudra, right hand Vishnu Mudra or Nasika Mudra. 1:2 ratio, no sound, effortless breathing, normal and natural breathing. and stop the practice. We'll wind up the session with 3 Omkaras followed by Shanti Mantra. Breathe in. Keep it on your chest, stomach, backbone, buttocks, legs, shoulders, hands. Rub it again. Keep it on your eyes. Rub it all over your face, ears, neck, and gently open your eyes and observe your palm.